Innovation is really at the core of Sheridan's 5-year strategic plan. It reimagines everything we do, the way we work with students, the way we work with industry and partners. My name is Janet Morrison, and I'm the President and Vice Chancellor of Sheridan. We find tremendous benefit and value in engaging students in research and innovation. We hear all the time from globally renowned CEOs that in fact the #1 skill required of new grads hoping to conquer the world is actually creativity, innovation, entrepreneurship, intrapreneurship. We have 6 research and incubation centers at Sheridan, and the focus there really is applied research and its role in enabling industry innovation. Each of them partners with industry to support product development and innovation, often working with startups and experts to de-risk innovation and to bridge the gap between proof of concept and getting to market. And so students enjoy opportunities to apply, cutting-edge training and technology to help solve real-world problems and to advance products in the workplace. Students love it, employers love it, and so the capacity to think outside the box and apply classroom learning into real-world experiences, this is the future of innovation. And I think it's a piece of the puzzle that Sheridan is tremendously proud to cultivate across the regions, the communities we serve.